In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Minecraft multiplayer feature suddenly disabled. Let's get started. This issue usually happens because of your Microsoft or Xbox privacy settings. So launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website Microsoft, provide account credentials and log into your Microsoft account. Now, head over to your profile, select the option Xbox settings. You'll be directed to the profile page. Now here you're going to find the settings option, click on that. Navigate to the option Safety and Privacy. Here you're going to find the option of Manage Safety and Privacy Settings. This will take you to Xbox Online Safety Settings page. Now select the Xbox and Windows 10 Online Safety tab. In this section, you will see multiple privacy options related to multiplayer gaming and online communication. By default, some of these settings may be set to block, which prevents Minecraft player from working properly. Go ahead and change all multiplayer and online interaction options to allow. Once you have done that, scroll down and click the green submit button to save your changes. Now close your browser and reopen Minecraft on a phone. Tap play and in most cases, multiplayer should now be enabled again. If it still says multiplayer is disabled, go into Minecraft settings, scroll down to account, sign out of your Microsoft account completely, then sign back in again using the same account. This refreshes your Xbox permission and often fixes syncing problems instantly. If still you are having the issue, completely delete Minecraft on a device and reinstall it. So that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.